Discord is giving away 1 month free Nitro trial and I will tell you how to claim it. Before that, join my Discord server for free decors and layouts. It's a friendly community. Hey, everyone! Do you use Duolingo to learn languages? And are you also on Discord to chat with friends? Well, there's some good news. For a limited time, free Duolingo learners in the US can get a free month of Discord Nitro. This offer is only for free Duolingo learners in the US who are learning a language from English. If you have a paid Duolingo subscription or live outside the US, you won't be able to claim it. Here's the exciting part. If you're eligible, you can claim your free month of Nitro by following these steps. Complete a lesson on Duolingo. Once you finish a lesson, you should see a partner offer card for Discord Nitro. Claim the offer on Duolingo, tap the card and follow the instructions to claim your unique Nitro code. Redeem the code on Discord, open the Discord app and log into your account. You'll see a message prompting you to claim your gift. Make sure you're logged into the correct account you want the Nitro on. Review and confirm. You'll see the details of the offer. Review it and confirm that your payment information is accurate. You won't be charged until the trial ends. Enjoy your free month. Once you confirm, your Nitro membership will be activated, and you can enjoy all its benefits for a month. This offer is only valid until August 1st, 2024, so don't miss out. You need to redeem the code on Discord by September 1st, 2024, or it will expire. After the free month ends, your Nitro membership will automatically renew as a paid subscription, so be sure to cancel it before then if you don't want to be charged. That's all you need to know about getting your free month of Discord Nitro with Duolingo. So, what are you waiting for? Start learning a new language and upgrade your Discord experience at the same time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.